Come test drive the 2021 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.